All right, today we're working on our stained glass window bird. We're going to start by outlining his head. You're going to make a nice big circle. Then you're going to make his beak. Going to come around. Okay. Now here's his belly part. So you're going to take it from the bottom of his head. You're going to make a nice round belly. You're going to bring it all the way up. And then go up and make the one long feather. From there you can make the next feather, and then you can make the whole part of the back. So let's do the next one. Go around, down, and then do the whole part of the back of the bird. Oops, sorry, let's straighten that out a little bit. Okay, now you can add another feather if you like, so it makes it look nice after you start doing your mosaic. Let me get a little bit more point here. Then you can make your wings around here. And then you can bring them from the back so you get the nice long feathers like that. And here you can do your waves. So you get those nice, looks like little feathers. And there you can do different colors. Let's do our eye. Okay. If you want to do the feet, you're going to do two little triangles like that. Do the little feet. Okay. If you want to do that sun in the back, you're more than happy. You can do that sun. Do your circle like that. Okay. And then let's start with the branch with the feet, because that was the big branch. So let's do one here. And then we're going to branch it off from here. And we're going to make a nice little branch. Don't go over his feet, just kind of pull it in between. So you don't you don't draw over his little claws. And there you go. You got one foot there. Two little feet there. You can make the little feet a little longer. You can fix that once you start to color. Make his feet a little longer. Let's make his feet a little darker there. Okay, once you're done, then you can start drawing the branches. You can bring one towards the back over here like that. And then you can make one over here, then one. Then you can branch from over here and make like a circle one like I did. I have to straighten that out a little bit. Okay. Let's fix that over. It's not perfect because you're kind of eyeing it. You want to match it up a little bit. Let's fix it. And let's see, we can add another one coming here like that. You can add another one coming over here like that. Okay. And there you have a lot of branches, and you can do one coming this way. Clean that up. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so now you could do one that looks like a leaf if you want. Like that. And then now we can start doing our ruler. Okay, so we're gonna go and we're gonna do first let's do our diagonal like they said. Now let's go across it the other way. Make sure you're getting the whole paper, and if you're not, make sure you kind of move your ruler after you do most of it. Move your ruler down. Let's do some more this way. Oops. See, if you don't do the ruler, then you get a little squiggly line. You got to fix it. All right. Let's do another one here. I think that's my last one there. And then you could do some going across like that. Go right from the bird. And there you go. There's your mosaic. And then now you have to pick your colors. So you're either going to do warm colors and cool colors. And then you're gonna figure out what you wanna do. You wanna do your bird warm colors in the outside, cool colors, or if you wanna do cool color bird and warm colors on the outside. You could do either or. And it'll take you a little while to color because you have to figure out how you're gonna color it and how you're gonna lay it out, okay? And that is your mosaic, guys. You should be able to finish this up. No problem. Good luck, guys.